Mic check. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready now?
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Three, two, one. You can't drink this. This isn't for you to drink. There is no way for you to kill coronavirus by drinking disinfectant virucidal cleaner. It is possible that you could go outside in the sunlight and open your mouth and go.
Oh my God, so beautiful. Yes.
Blast it. Blast. Blast. Look at all this shit all over.
So why do your customers love you so much?
Wait a minute. Repeat that one again because I forgot just that quick. What did you want me to say?
So start with my customers love me.
Oh, okay, okay. I got you.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Say it again.
So why do your customers love me so much?
I forgot just that quick. Okay, we're gonna keep doing bloopers.
What would you say is the most important part of doing here?
Cleaning.
Why'd you look at the camera? Contestant number 1, step right on up.
Hello, my name is Hema, also known as Gemma, also known as Gima, also known as Gemma.
My name is Joel Sedano, and I'm your worst nightmare. Hi, my name is Joel Sedano.
What's up? Hi, it's Matt. I'm with Craig. Well, this is Matt, not really. Okay, so here we go.
Oh my God, okay, let's hurry up because this chair is sketchy. It's not for me. I'm not even kidding. Are we going already? Oh, I'm like not even putting my whole weight. If I read through it, I'm gonna freaking cry and go home.
Oh, stuck on the chair. Take 25. Quiet on set. Hey, I'm Nick. Just wanted to thank the veterans for everything they do. Andy is in the background laughing as usual. So it makes making videos very difficult.
If you're in the market for commercial cleaning services, you want to keep in mind what?
Damn it! What are you laughing for?
If you're in the market for commercial cleaning services, it's important. What? Welcome back, everyone. My name's Greg. I'm with OctoClean, and I don't know what I want to say right now.
Hello, and welcome to the Vita Galvan channel. And welcome, Vita. I would like to thank all of the ball-headed veterans